Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we thought out some shrimp and we got to figure out what to do with it. So we are going to do shrimp 4 ways and we're going to use a lot of our own homemade products. So stick around and here we go. We're going to make some shrimp. We have no idea what we're going to eat with it, but we're definitely having shrimp. Okay, let's go through what we're going to do. We made some apple butter recently. We're going to do some apple butter. This is one of our new barbecue sauce recipes. We're going to use peach butter. We're gonna do some salsa verde, and then Greg made some garlic butter, and we're gonna use garlic butter. So the first thing I'm gonna do is divvy up these shrimp. Probably just do it evenly in here. And we're gonna grill these. So I don't think Greg or either one of us wants fried food right now. Now these shrimp were, I think, a 4150 count. So they're a little bit smaller. I've already washed them. I have taken the shells off. I have taken the tails off. Just makes it easier to eat them. All right, that's 15 in each one. I might be able to get 20 in each one. That'd be cool. And this was just a bag of shrimp that we got on sale. This is a lot of shrimp. I'm not sure. We're gonna have some leftovers. Good leftovers, mind you, but definitely leftovers. All right, there's 18 in each one of these now. Do I have enough to do 20 in each? That would be cool. Oh, I do. All right. Each one of these has 20 shrimp. Put this bowl up. And then now we're gonna go ahead and one by one grill these off. So let's get to the stove. So first we're gonna do, let's see. First we're gonna do our apple butter. So we'll do our apple butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt some butter and then we'll fry these up and then we'll coat them with some of this apple butter barbecue sauce and get them back in their little dish. In between though, I'm gonna wash this out. So here we go. I'm about medium high. It's about what we're gonna do. And I don't know if anybody has ever cooked shrimp before, but it goes real fast. Real fast. That shrimp's going in and I'm gonna go wash this out. So I definitely do not wanna put raw shrimp back in here. Now that's ready. Let's go ahead and salt and pepper. And you see how this shrimp is translucent? It's gonna change colors to pink. That's when you know it's done. Oh, it's been a couple minutes. Oh, that color looks good. Okay, not quite there. They're still kind of a little bit translucent, so we want them to turn like that opaque white all the way through. Or get it real close, and then we'll add some barbecue sauce, toss it, and we'll be done with that one, and we'll move to the next one. So as you can see, this is like really, what are we at? Like 2 minutes. And look at the color on them. Aren't they pretty? Okay. I'm kicking that down just a little bit because that sugar is already melting or already sticking, which is awesome. I'll let the sugars in that barbecue sauce caramelize a little bit. Get it all nice and yummy and sticky. All right, we're gonna jazz that back up. I'm gonna put these shrimp in here. Go wash this out, this pan out. Get back in here with some butter. And we'll hit the next one, which is the peach barbecue sauce. That smells good. Next on the list is salsa verde. Well, this is last year's salsa verde. That's exciting. Okay, let's get those shrimp in there. Okay, those look great. I'm gonna go rinse this out real quick. Now last, but certainly not least, we're gonna use one of the cubes of garlic butter that Greg made. I'll put the rest of this back in the freezer. Oh, I love the smell of garlic. Man, that garlic butter smells so good. Hey, that garlic butter is potent. Can you smell it out there?
Yeah.
Woo! That's potent. All right, we're gonna finish these up. I'm gonna get my official taste tester in here, and we're gonna taste test the shrimp. He has to get something to drink because I usually make him try to eat molten lava. Are we gonna do it on camera?
Are you gonna move?
Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, this is the apple butter barbecue sauce. The only thing I did was butter, salt, pepper, get them cooking real good, and then glazed them in apple butter barbecue sauce. Yeah.
Don't know about apple butter with shrimp though.
It's a little different, but I like the sweet.
Mm-hmm.
This is not our favorite yet. I wouldn't do this again. But it's okay. Okay, ready? This is, oops, try not to kick you guys, sorry, peach barbecue sauce. I like that.
Oh, 9. Comes in late.
It takes a minute, but yeah, okay.
That was good.
That was good. This is salsa verde. I already had one of these.
Of course you
I
did.
couldn't resist.
Oh, well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just good.
Yeah, well, that's what you're used to.
It tastes like when you get shrimp like on a plate of fajitas.
Yeah.
That's
That's
what
what I was going to say. It tastes like
Fajita shrimp.
like from a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah. That's good. These are good. Okay, we'll definitely do that again. Okay, these should be the hottest. These are Greg's homemade garlic butter puck garlic shrimp. And he could smell the garlic out in the garage when I was doing these, so. It's very mild.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird? You can barely taste the garlic.
I mean,
Smells good, you can taste it,
good.
but it's not. Huh. Okay. Well, there we go. What's your favorite?
Salsa verde.
Salsa verde. Salsa verde is
Salsa verde, even though the garlic's not really garlicky, then the peach, then that. Yeah, the apple butter was just too sweet.
apple butter's too sweet. And so I think I'm in the same boat. I like salsa verde, garlic butter, pear, and then apple butter. We will not be doing apple butter barbecue sauce again.
For
shrimp.
For shrimp, not the barbecue sauce itself.
Right.
With shrimp, it's not.
No. Okay.
But let's test it in
Something
our
else.
food.
All right, I like it. Okay, y'all. We're gonna have some shrimp with a side of shrimp with a side of shrimp with a side of shrimp for dinner. So, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until we see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.
Hey, y'all.